Hi guys, my name is Kuda aka Chief. Welcome to the fastest growing community of traders in the world. If you're in this group, you're here for one of two reasons: either to do the course or to join the support platform. Our course is moderated by three of the best traders out there, right? So stick around so you can find out exactly how you can get plugged in.
Hey guys, my name is Munashe and I'm the moderator for Level 1. Level 1 is for beginners, y'all. So I'm the guy that will be taking you through all that. And guys, these are the topics that we're going to cover together. The first thing that you gotta do, you go to register, right? Then you just click that big button there. It's gonna show you these three packages. The first one is the XM Trader, right? Then the second one, Hard Forex. Then there's the non-XM package, right? So depending on whichever trading account that you use with the different brokers, you can get to choose the different packages, right? So let's just say you got an XM account, and XM account, if you already have an XM account, that means that you're going to select the free package, right? So you're going to select, just scroll down and you're going to click select, right? Then you come to the details. Let's just say username, all your personal information, your username, your password, and your email address. Okay, then it's going to take you to terms and conditions. You can read through this part, right? But I'm just going to click I agree to the terms and condition. Then I'm going to click submit and confirm. As you can see there, it's uploading my photo. Then it's gonna ask me to says your profile photo was uploaded successfully, right? Okay, so once I've done the courses, you click get started. Okay, so we're now on level 1, guys, right? So on level 1, remember, these are the topics that we have in level 1. So there is introduction to Forex. What is Forex trading? The major currencies, the history of Forex, know your world. Not only that, we're also gonna have an assessment quiz. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna get started now. We're going to go to start course. Click that button over there. All right, so we're now on the introduction to Forex trading. So at first we just give you, some brief history to let you know what we're about to talk about, some notes for you to take down, right? So you read through that, and all you just have to do is you click mark as complete. Once it, then you've done the first part. You've done the first part of the first section of the course, right? Then it's going to take you to the next one, right? What is Forex trading? All right, so with each and every single topic we attach a video. It's a nice video for you to watch. You click and you watch it, you learn through that tutorial. Then we also add in notes again for you, right? Learning content, all of this, guys, all of that too. Alright, then there's this one again, market size and liquidity. Let me just open up. Okay, then more theory again, right? Just to let you know what it's all about, right? Then you read through the stage. You've understood the concept of what is Forex trading all about. Then you're going to click mark complete. Let's continue, right? Okay, the exchange rate, where does it come from? That's the next question. Okay, right. You've learned through that, right? A floating exchange rate is determined by the open currency, right? You read through that content and you make sure that you don't remember, you don't forget this part, huh? Then you continue again, mark complete. And then once you've done the two topics, the two lesson contents, right? Then what you have to do, you have to click mark complete. You now know exactly what it's all about. You've done the lesson content, you've done the 2 topics and well understood. Then you jump on to the next topic, which is major currencies and cross pairs, right? We give you all the theory, right? Once you're done with it, you click mark complete. Then we go on to the next topic for level 1, which is the history of Forex. Right? We might be talking about Forex and no, but exactly what's the history behind? Where is it coming from? Where do we get this thing from? Right? So this is the history of Forex. We also, as you can see, we've also given you some bullet points at the bottom. Just key things for you to note and all. Right, once you're done with that part of the class, you click mark complete. Okay, then you go to the next topic, which is know your world. Right. Once again, there's some bullet points for you to read through, and then we also throw in a tutorial video. So can you see each and every single topic has its own tutorial video, and then you also get bullet points, and you also get lesson content as well that you have to go through and understand. Then the next thing that we're going to talk to you about is the next topic, which is economic engines now, right? So you go through the video, you watch it, you learn, you know, hey, economic engines are done like this, like that. What are we really talking about, right? Once again, we give you bullet points, right? Some notes for you to take down, things for you to understand, the key important things that you need to know, and you just go through it. Right, once you are done on that part, you click mark complete. Right guys, so once you're done, once you've done everything, right, then the last part for the course, right, this is now the assessment quiz, right? And this quiz, guys, for you to proceed to level number 2, you need to make sure that you score 70% and above, right? How do you do that, right? So once you're now at this level, what you have to do is click the start quiz button, right? Then you're gonna go through question by question. You see, it's a matter of just selecting it's multiple choice. Just select A, that, okay, then you click check. Right, okay, you got that correct. Next, you check. Right, so one by one, you get to finish off that stage by stage, all the way till the 17th question. Once you are done with this, ready for level number 2.
Level 2 is moderated by me, TK. I have over 5 years trading experience, and I helped put level 2 together for you. We call level 2 Go Live, and the topics that we're going to cover are the following:
Forex lingo, how to use MetaTrader 4 and 5, candlesticks, introduction to technical analysis, continuation, reversal and bilateral patterns, reversal patterns, bilateral patterns. You also then get to take the assessment test at the very bottom. For example, if we expand the Forex lingo chapter, you'll be able to take a look at all the subtopics. What is a pip? Going long and short, bid and ask. What is a lot? For example, if we were to open this subtopic of what is a pip, remember all this information is very vital under Forex lingo, as you get an opportunity to understand and familiarize yourself with all the terms that are used in the FX markets, especially when you then get to read the media articles online or just interacting with your peers. Information like this is very vital in you understanding how to trade the FX markets. For example, getting to know what is a pip. This is the smallest value change in a currency pair exchange rate. understanding how to read this price is extremely essential. You also get a video at the beginning of the chapter. Forex lingo, you have to watch that. It is very informative. This was taken from our live sessions, which are amazing and have a very dope vibe. When you're done, you just click next topic here, so you can go over to the next topic, which will be a topic on candlesticks. Introduction to your candlesticks. Also, you get a video here, know your way around MetaTrader 5, which again, MetaTrader 5 is the platform that you use when you're trading, the platform where you execute your positions. So you just have to watch this video, and you also get to understand how, the ways of how to read price. You've got how to read price using a line chart or a candlestick or a bar chart. For example, you would really want to know how to read price using a candlestick, because that is the most preferred and most effective way of reading price. You also get to you'll be able to tell a story from just one candlestick by being able to know where the opening price is, where the highest price is, where the lowest price is, and the closing price. Take a look at this. It's very, very, very detailed example. So when you're done with this particular topic as well, you can just click and go on to the next lesson. Or if there's some stuff that you have not quite understood in the previous lesson, you're free to go back and you just click the previous lesson. Once you're done with this one, with this topic of candlesticks, you get introduced to the technical analysis chapter. Technical analysis is really, really important. This is the chapter where you get to know about support and resistance. Being able to grasp the concepts of support and resistance is very vital, because that is the foundation of trading using patterns. For example, chart patterns. This is when you use support resistance lines to identify patterns that tend to reoccur in the market. So it's very important that you grasp this concept and all the concepts that come after this. You're able to identify your channels. Take a look at this channel. This is a Looney Swissy channel, and you're able to identify your support. Very accurately drawn in your resistance right here at the top. After you're done, you just select next lesson for you to go to the next lesson, where you get to understand more about the patterns. As you may know, there's two types of patterns. We group patterns into, you have your continuation patterns, and you have your reversal patterns. You also then have your bilateral patterns. So you've got a 3-video series here of understanding patterns explained. Just click on that and watch the video. We've got a part 2 video explain further. Part 3 video also very, very informative, very, very detailed. It's a live class, a beautiful vibe, dope vibe, very interactive. All the questions that you think you might have regarding patterns, you will catch them in the video. You will know your different types of continuation patterns. You've got your bullish and bearish flags, you've got your bullish and bearish pennants, you've got your different types of reversal patterns. You've got your head and shoulders, you've got your inverted head and shoulders, you've got your double bottom. You've got your rising and your falling wedge. You also have your broadening wedge and your reversal broadening wedge. Then you also have your bilateral patterns. When you're done, just click next, so you can go and do the next class, which will be your bullish and bearish flags. Bullish and bearish flags are examples of continuation patterns. So you start off by completing the one type of patterns, which is the continuation patterns. If you had paid attention into the video that you just watched, the first video that you watch, you would understand where you'd find a bullish flag. The flag pattern is fairly simple, just 3 components. Remember, the word bullish is already an indicator that we're expecting upward momentum or movement of price. So you would also know where you would find this particular pattern, and this particular pattern is found along a trend. All this information is there in the video. It's all there in the notes. You also have a very good flag drawn here, a very beautiful example, practical example of a flag. When you're done, you just go to the next topic. If you feel you didn't understand certain information, you just go over back to the previous lesson and restart again. When you're done with bullish and bearish flags, you go over to the next set of patterns, which is a bullish and a bearish pennant, also covered in the videos that we went through when we began the technical analysis chapter. We've got a very good graphical description here of what a pennant is. You're even told where to find one. Key things to remember when drawing pennants. Point 1, ensure that the support and resistance lines connect perfectly to the lower and upper wicks. Pennants occur over small periods of time, so when looking for pennants, look for them in the 1 hour time frames and below. It's very informative. You actually even know where to find these pennants, what time frame to dig deeper into. When you're done, you then get on to do the reversal patterns, which is the other set of patterns. Head and shoulders pattern is an example. Beautiful example. It's a trend reversal pattern found at market peaks after a bullish trend. Take a look here. Very accurately drawn head and shoulders. You would know what a head and shoulders consists of if you paid attention in the video. Consists of one shoulder, one head, second shoulder, two heads and one head, two shoulders and one head. You're even shown how to actually trade it, where your entry should be, where your stop loss should be, where your take profit should be. When you're done with that part, you also then get to learn about how to trade an inverted head and shoulders, which is basically this. It's the same concept, but the price is just moving towards a different direction. Another example of a reversal pattern is a broadening wedge, right here. From my own personal experience, this is probably the highest paying pattern out there. It took time to get to trade it, but once I did, very, very amazing results. They work over 70% of the time, so I have a win rate of about 70% when I trade these. You actually get a graphical representation. It's very consistent when we're explaining all our patterns. We draw it for you. We tell you how to actually trade it, where your entry is supposed to be, where your stop loss is supposed to be, where your take profit is supposed to be, how to calculate the pips. You get to learn everything. Very, very, very amazing stuff. When you're done with your broadening wedge, you can always go back and redo any topic that you may have felt like you didn't understand, because at the end of every level you have to be assessed. We have to assess your performance. Did you grasp the concepts as well as we should have too? So you definitely need to have a trading account where you actually place those orders, because as we had explained, as one of the lessons in level 2 is being able to execute your trades. So to be able to execute trades, you need to have opened a brokerage account, and we trade with a brokerage. It's a top 4 broker, international broker called TSN Markets. So you have to open an account with them for you to be able to execute your trades and receive all the benefits that we have here on TSN. So once you're logged on TSN, after completing level 2, you could just open your dashboard here and scroll all the way down to XM part here. A benefit that you get from being a member of TSN is that you get bonus benefits from the broker. If you open your account using our link, our trader support network link, you will get up to 100% deposit bonus each time you fund your account. So if you were to fund your account with $100, you will get an extra $100 on top, and your equity will total $200. So if you click this banner here to open your account, and you redirect to the XM Markets website to be able to open your account, and you just come and click open an account. Once you click the XM Markets link, you'll be taken to their registration page, where you have to fill in all your information, your first name, your last name, all your trading account details, and you have to proceed to the next step, which will definitely ask you to enter your details for verification. Now, if you use our link to register, verification is made simple for you, as you only require a copy or proof of identification. should you face any challenges, you just communicate with the broker using this live chat that we have here. You just click this button, you'll be assisted by a support personnel who is on standby at any given point in time. If you're a new client, you don't have an account yet, you just enter your details here and you start your chat. For you to be able to get live setups, remember when we were talking about Trader Support Network, it's a network which assists each and every member with their trades. To get live trading setups, you have to verify your XM account, you have to verify your TSN account as well. If you come up here after registering your account in TSN and making deposits, because to be able to get access to our live setups, we want active members. The only way you're active is if you're actually participating in the markets. So you come up to here to our chat, which is on the bottom right hand corner, and there's a verify XM account group chat. All you have to do is enter your name. This is my name. You have to enter your TSN username. This is my TSN username and my XM account number. With that, you then have to attach a proof of deposit to confirm that you're actually now an active member. You will be verified within 12 hours and you'll be ready and plugged in to all the groups that we have, or all the live setups groups that we have, for you to be able to receive live setups. Let me just give you an example of what our live setups look like. There is $dollar here, a trade that I was taking last week. You get to get the 4 parameters: the currency pair, the type of order, the entry price, the stop loss price, everything. You get it from the trade setup. So you even get the before picture, you get a trade setup of what it looks like before it actually breaks. Take a look at dollar today, halfway down to take profit. This is what it looks like. So if you take a look at when it was posted, it was before the break. This is after the break, it's already broken. Another one that was taken was dollar Swissy trade. Take a look at this. Inverted head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We spoke about this in one of the pattern classes. You also get 4 parameters. This is what it looked like before it actually had not yet broken. Price broke. They are very, 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 very important for a newbie trader, and the trader is also trying to find consistency.
Hi guys, I am back. So you've heard about level 1, level 2. Now we're going to talk about level 3. Level 3 is the advanced stage. So if you've been trading for, let's say 3 months and more, this is really recommended for you. This is where you're taking your level, you're trading to a whole new level. In it we cover, we talk about developing your edge, we talk about psychology, edge point entries, how to use a trading plan, how to use a trading journal, correlation. We talk about how to develop a strategy that is uniquely suited for you, and actually so much more. So if you guys are ready for that, take it up and take your trading to the next level. So if you're now ready to trade and you're ready to trade live, the Trader Support Network is the best place to be. You'll get win rates of 70%, right? 3 to 4 trades posted daily. Alright, so if you want to see what's up, what's happening with Trader Support Network, stay tuned.
Guys, so there you have it. Trader Support Platform really caters to everybody's needs. Whether you're a newbie trader, whether you're a seasoned trader, whether you're looking, just to come in and contribute. It's for everybody. It's for free, by the way. You don't have to pay anything. Just come on, interact with as many traders from different parts of the world. Imagine, coming in and in the morning you're talking to a guy from Sri Lanka, all for free. That is so much exposure, which I feel is necessary for everybody on TSN. So come on, take the course free. It's an amazing course. There's a lot of free stuff on it. You're gonna get free ebooks, free videos, free everything. Come through in your numbers.